So hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back with a quickie. You know it's me, Nakita, with another video.
You riding around, my shorty is the coldest.
Dashley. Yeah. Sensational Dashley Lace Unit 29. It says it's 24 inches long. I got her in the CH30, which is the chocolate chunk 30. Comes with a hand-tied deep center part, baby hairs, HD lace, and I got it off Amazon for $32.99. Now, as you can see, let's get into this wig, okay? It is popping. And I really like the fact that it's a deep part, okay? It makes it look, the T parts look so much better when they're deeper. Now, it's not very much lace that you can pluck, but I'm not plucking this lace. I am just wearing it straight out the box. We're gonna see how it pops. Dashley got a comb in the back, as you can see, and she got the adjustable bands. And she also has the comb on the sides. So we're gonna take care of that lace. We're gonna get that lace popping, and then we're gonna put this joint on. So what I did to hide the lace, concealer. I don't know why they put that line in there or whatever the case is, but I used concealer in order to get that line cleared out as possible with the darkest powder that I could use that I knew that would match. So that's what I would suggest doing. Also, when you're cutting, if you cut well enough with some good enough scissors, honey, you will not have to use glue on this unit. Like, I was so surprised that I did not have to use glue on this unit at all. And I was able to install it without like plucking and stuff. Like, that's out the box. I'm amazed. I'm sprung. Like, Dashley, no, I'm about to come for her some more. I got to have another and another for the simple fact that it was so easy and quick to install. Super beginner friendly. Didn't have to do no plucking, didn't have to do none of that. Like, all I had to do was match it to my color, get it popping. You know what I'm saying? That's it. Use bedhead. And that is all. I put concealer inside of the part once I was done. And I did that because of that line that was in there. But other than that, as you can see, look, no glue. See? No glue. And that is what it looks like, even still. Like, I didn't have to put bedhead or nothing. I did that to secure it a little better. But look, you don't need anything. It's installed literally right now. Now, I'm going through putting bedhead. I did a couple layers. And the reason I'm doing that is because it is hot out here in Seattle, okay? Like, I can't move around without no drift of air. So, since it's so hot and humid out here, I wanted to make sure that my joint was on because I'm going to be kicking it, okay? Look, I am so sprung on that hairline. That hairline is like giving. Again, Sensational showed out with this wig. Dashley, they were so right. It is a wig that you do need in your wig arsenal for your choices. The baby hairs were so cool. I always push them back anyways. And now I'm just going through making sure that I don't see any knots or anything with my flat iron. Looking popping. Put my little thing on and style my hair. Like, literally 30 minutes. I was ready in 30 minutes. It took me longer to style the hair than it did to install. So, seriously, get this wig for your arsenal. It is so pretty. Like, brushing and combing, it was so easy. I brushed water and conditioner through it first, and then I added some curling mousse to it. Like, I didn't have to worry about tangles. I didn't have to worry about the curls looking ugly or nothing later. I wanted that really, really wet look at first, you know, like first get out the shower, as if I just washed my hair and hopped out. And then when it dries, I know the curls are gonna dry. So, I'm like, okay. So now I'm just doing the other side. The wig is thick. So if you don't like a thicker wig, I would suggest like take some shearing scissors and thinning it out. But I like how thick it is. It is very pretty how thick it is. It looks very natural. It comes out the scalp really well. Like, it's just popping. The hand-tied lace part, popping. HD lace, popping. It was really, literally, virtually undetectable, like it said. Girl, get out your head. Quit talking. Who you talking to? Okay, so now I'm dressed. And ready to go. About to take off this scarf. See if it did exactly what I expected. And yes, it did. Look at that. I was expecting ugly. I'm not gonna lie. I normally don't install without plucking, but this is the one. Look, no tangles. The curls are still popping. I decided to brush the curls out. The curls came a lot curlier, as you can see in the beginning, but I decided to brush it out. Get you some non-alcoholic curling mousse. And put it in your head. Get your unit looking like how? Popping hair. Look, this is what it looks like after. I've been out, I've been in the sun. I'm loving this hair. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see y'all soon. Peace.